Yo, kamusta? Si Job Zamora pala to, founder ng 30 Minute Trader. And today, may papakilala ko sa inyo. Ang pinaka-lodi, ang mentor ko na si Mr. X.
Thank
Kamusta,
you,
Mr.
Joe.
X?
Okay lang.
Yan.
Kamusta ka naman, Coach Joe?
Okay naman. So, sa video na to pala, ang gagawin namin ni Mr. X is magte-trade planning kami for next week. Kasi ngayon, Saturday weekend. So, for next week ito. So, malalaman nyo kung paano namin ito ginagawa sa team. Actually, usually, may ano kami, marami kami mga coaches. Pero ngayon, kami lang munang dalawa ni Mr. X. Okay, so lahat ng i-analyze namin, lahat ng sabihin namin, don't trade this blindly. Okay, make sure na do your own research muna and your own analysis bago nyo to sundan. So, ready ka na ba? Let's go!
Tara, G! Okay. So, dito sa mga traders, we have this saying na if you do not plan your trades will plan for you. So, anong ibig sabihin yan? Kung hindi mo planan yung trades mo, kunyari, basta-basta ka lang pumasok, like out of nowhere, na feel mong pasukan si USD JPY, for example, then wala kang control doon sa trade mo. So, your trade will be the one to control you. Gets? So, yung mangyayari dyan, that's why we always plan our trades ahead of time para maging ready tayo sa sunod na week. So, how does that work? Ipapakita ko lang sa iyo. Okay. So, let's say in a week, di ba, meron tayong Saturday, meron tayong Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So, what does a typical week of a trader look like? So, dito sa Saturday, ano pa yung ginagawa natin? Sa Saturday, we already start looking for trades. Okay? So, nag-analyze na kami sa Saturday. Okay? And then, yung kagandahan naman nito ay, since dalawa yung weekend, we can split yung sobrang daming currency pairs into 2 days. So, we also look for trades sa Sunday. So, bakit na nga ba tayo naghahanap ng trades sa weekend? Kasi, sarado ang market sa weekend. So, wala kang makikitang movement in the Forex market tuwing weekends. So, yun yung best time to look for potential trades for the week. Kasi wala kang hinahabol. And how long do we take looking for these trades? 30 minutes lang. Kaya tayong 30-minute trader. So, both tama yun, di ba? 30 minutes trader tayo niyan. So, yun. During Saturday and Sunday, sa Saturday and Sunday, 30 minutes tayong nagpe-prepare. So, what do we do on Monday? Edi we wait. So, yung mangyari, we wait for the trades that we were looking at nung Saturday and Sunday to take action. Siyempre, hindi naman magiging exactly like what we predicted all the time. So, sometimes we also have to tweak yung magiging action natin. And then lastly is we take action. So, doon na tayo papasok ng trade. And of course, this also usually take 30 minutes din. Or sometimes even less. Diba? So, ano yung mangyayari sa rest of the week? We also do the same thing. Sa Tuesday, wait, tweak, and take action. Sa Wednesday, wait, tweak, and take action ulit. Sa Thursday, wait, tweak, take action. And sa Friday, wait, tweak, and take action ulit. That's why mabilis lang mag-trade para sa amin na 30 minutes lang. And then the next Saturday and Sunday, we just repeat the whole process until makahanap tayo ng mga magagandang trades. We can enter and make some beautiful profits.
Perfect. Okay, so ngayon punta na tayo sa charts, Mr. X.
Alright, so ngayon alam mo na kung paano kami mag-plan. So now I'm going to show you exactly paano talaga kami nagpa-plan ng trade. So usually kami mga coaches, we do yung economics analysis, meaning tinitingnan natin yung economics ng bawat country to know kung sino yung malakas and kung sino yung mahina. Ayun. Pero for this video, we won't be doing that kasi medyo mahaba yung process. So I'm going to go directly into yung actual charts para madali lang siya. So based on yung ginawa nating analysis, nakita natin na medyo pwede ang AUD CAD. Yun. So, that's one of the things that we may want to look at. So, gawa tayo ng mate formula analysis dito kay AUD CAD. Yun, kasi baka posibleng potential trade to for next week. So, ano yung ginagawa natin? The first thing that we always do is we look at the weekly time frame. So, dito kay mate formula, ano ba yung nakikita natin? So, isang tingin lang, ano ba yung direction niya? Is it downwards, upwards, o sideways? So, kahit hindi tayo mag-drawing ng kung ano-ano, we can tell it is in a downward direction. So, in other words, in Forex terms, ang tawag dito downtrend. Okay? So, pwede naman tayo mag-drawing ng trend line dito to signify nga downtrend nga talaga to. Diba? So, this goes to show na pababa talaga si AUD CAD. Ngayon, mag-zoom in tayo papunta sa daily time frame. Yan. So, mas reinforced yung analysis natin na talagang downward direction siya. So, etong downtrend na nakikita mo came from the W time frame. So, actually, meron nga siyang isa pang downtrend na makikita mo dito eh. If you put another downtrend here. So, ano ibig sabihin nito? This means na sa weekly pa lang, pababa na siya. So, sa daily, mas pababa pa siya. Okay? So, alam na natin na bearish to, meaning mas madaming sellers. So, as a trader, what do? We will also have to sell. Kasi yan yung yan yung trend ngayon. So, the question is, where is a good place to possibly sell or possibly enter pagdating ng Monday? So next is we will have to put our areas of alignment or areas of value, bale. So if we were to use yung mga support and resistance areas, pwede yung ito. So pwede yan dito. Okay? And then pwede rin dito. Yan. And then we have another one here. Yan. Tapos, nilalagay ko lang naman dito yung mga possible support and resistances or areas na tinitignan natin. Okay. So now we already have our possible areas kung saan tayo papasok. So, for Monday, what do we have to wait for? Ang pwede natin tignan ay itong area or 0.90541. So, madami tayong nakikitang areas dito. We have 9116. Ito rin. So, why do we choose this one out of the rest? There are two reasons. Kasi kung umakyat ang price, it is in an area kung saan nagkakasalubong itong trend line and itong resistance. And at the same time, meron din tayong moving average na papunta din dito. So, in other words, no, we can say it's an area kung saan nag-a-align lahat ng mga signal natin. Alright? So that's why for me, it is a strong area. Now, take note, if pinili natin itong area, si 0.91116, okay, to sell, hindi siya kasing lakas because if price decides to go to this area, wala na tong downtrend. Right? So, ibig sabihin, hindi na siya sell order kapag na-broken na si downtrend. That's why we want to find an area na sakop pa rin ng downtrend, na sakop pa rin ng resistance, and may dinadaanan na moving average. And that is quite a strong area. So ano yung aabangan natin pagdating ng Monday? Pag aabang naman tayo, pwede natin tumingin sa H4. So what do we look at sa H4? We wait for price to hit this area. Okay? So magsisell ba tayo agad? No, not necessarily. We have to wait for the proper timing. Ano yung proper timing na tinitignan natin? Ang possible proper timing na tinitignan natin is a candlestick pattern. So, some samples of candlestick patterns that you may look for is a shooting star. So, ito yung itsura niya. Black yung ulo, and then may mahabang wick. So, if may nakita kang ganitong candlestick pattern, antayin mo na mabuo siya, and then you sell sa next candle. Okay? Now, where do we put our possible SL and TP? We can put it, our TP can be placed sa next support. So, this is the next support. Okay? 0.89029. So, this is our possible TP. Okay? Now, where will we place our SL? Generally, we like to place our stop loss in an area that invalidates our entry. So, bakit? First, we have to ask ourselves, bakit tayo nag-entry dito? It is because meron tayong trend line dito, meron tayong support, resistance, and then sa D1 time frame, there was a moving average. So, we can put our stop loss in an area that breaks all of these signals. So, saan pwede ilagay yan? Pwede yan dito. So, we can put our stop loss here because in this area, hindi na valid ang ating trend line, hindi na valid ang ating resistance. And mas lalo nang hindi na valid yung moving average ng daily time frame. Okay? So that means during the weekend, we have already planned for our Australian/Canadian dollar or AUD CAD. So sa Monday, mag-aabang na tayo ng AUD CAD to see if it will go like we have planned. Right? So I hope you were able to learn something from this planning, And yun.
Yun. Thank you so much, Mr. X. So, to give you a little bit of a background, usually, ang trades na napapasukan namin nila, Mr. X, around nasa 3 to 5 ngayon. Kasi nung dati, syempre, mas marami. Pero ngayon, more on, nagsiswing trading na kami. So, madalas yung 3 to 5. Pero yung mga ina-analyze namin, katulad ng ginawa kayo ni Mr. X, siguro nasa around 10, mga ganon, mga 7 to 10. Kasi hindi mo naman lahat mapapasukan. So, hindi lahat mag-go according sa plan mo. Tama ba, Mr. X?
Yes. So, kanina nagbigay lang ako ng example. Pero actually, mas madami kaming tinitignan or pinaplano during the weekend. So, at least madami tayong choices.
Yes, oo. Tapos yung kanina yung pinakita lang namin is yung technical side. So pagdating sa fundamentals sa economics, so ibang usapan yun. Tama ba, Mr. X? Bigyan mo naman sila ng konting background kung ano yung ginagawa mo. Kahit di mo na siguro ipakita, kumbaga konting tip lang about fundamentals.
Okay, sige, no problem. So, when we say fundamentals, it's known as yung economics. So, just to give you an idea, yung economics kasi ay yung driving force kung lumalakas talaga ang isang currency or humihina. Okay? So, for example, we have the US dollar, 'di ba? Ano ba yung dahilan kung bakit lumalakas si USD o humihina siya? Basically, ang pinakadahilan niyan ay whether lumalakas ang economy ng US o hindi. And that's why there are certain things that we have to look out for in order to know whether magiging strong si USD or mahina. So one of the things that we check is yung GDP or gross domestic product. To give you an idea, the gross domestic product refers to yung overall productivity ng, let's say, US. So ano yung productivity yung hinahanap natin? For example, yung business nila, yung purchases ng country, yung binibenta ng country, importation, exportation, lahat yan adds to the GDP of the US. So generally speaking, kung malakas yung GDP ng US, there is also a high chance na eventually tataas din yung ating US dollar. Right? And there are other things that we have to look out for as well, like yung business industries ng US, kung lumalakas ba sila o hindi. Kung lumalakas ang business industries ng US, we can expect na tataas yung value ng US dollar. Okay, those are a few examples of what we look for when we research fundamental analysis. At least, alam natin, based on yung fundamental and economic analysis, whether or not magbabuy ba tayo ng USD or magsisell. Okay? So, after that, we just have to pair the USD with another currency na nakikita natin either weak or strong when we analyze the economics of that other currency naman. Okay, so our style is maghahanap tayo ng malakas na currency based on its economics. Then maghahanap tayo ng mahinang currency also based on its economics. Then isasama natin silang dalawa. And then we will decide our action from there whether to buy or sell.
So ayun, actually isa rin yun sa factor kung paano mo pwedeng pataasin yung winning percentage mo. So kung nagka-technicals ka, nasa around 60 or minsan 50 or minsan 65, kapag mas meron kang idea, meron kang knowledge about economics, about ito sa fundamental analysis nga, siguro tataasan ng around mga 70. So, yun yung nangyayari sa amin. Kasi dati ako, technical trader lang ako. Tapos natuto lang din ako ng mga fundamentals at sentiments kay Mr. X. So, actually, meron tayong formula no, na ginagamit, Mr. X, yung beat framework. Tama ba?
Oo, yun naman sa economics naman para naka-breakdown siya into 4 steps so that alam mo kung ano yung unahin mo, ano yung second step, third step, so that it makes it easier for the student to understand.
Correct. So, more on simplified version talaga siya. And of course, may mga binibigay kami ng mga website, mga materials, mga resources, kung saan mo pwede mag-gauge yung mga strengths ng mga currency. Diba? Sabi nga kanina ni Mr. X, maghanap ka ng malakas na currency and maghanap ka ng mahina tapos pagsasama mo sila. Okay? So, anything to add pa, Mr. X?
Yun lang naman. So, I hope a lot of you were able to learn something from today's session. And thank you, Coach Job, for inviting me.
Thank you, Coach X, sa shinare mo na knowledge. Sobrang thankful kami. So, yun lang guys. If may mga questions kayo sa akin or kay Mr. X, comment lang kayo dyan sa baba. And if you want more Forex videos like this, subscribe ka lang. And if gusto mo ng in-depth na training about sa Forex trading, punta ka lang dyan sa link sa baba, www.30minutetrader.com/startforex. Make sure na mag-register ka na ngayon na kasi limited slots lang yan. Okay, so yun lang. Good luck sa trading week mo next week. So, bye-bye. Thank you, Mr. X.
Okay, sige. Bye-bye pa.
Bye.
Good luck,
See ya.
guys.